What should you do when a loved one dies? Please remember that the first few weeks are family, friends, and funeral. Take your time to work through those. That's the most important thing in the first few weeks. Somewhere in that process, please give us a call and ask for a post-death packet. The post-death packet has 3 parts to it. The first is the cover letter. The second is a questionnaire about the people and the stuff. And the third is a list of where do you start. When it comes to the cover letter is a smorgasbord. It is a list of different things that might need to take place at the time of a death. It talks about whether there's a probate, a small estate affidavit, a lack of probate affidavit, creditors' claims, who do you have to notify, what if there are testamentary trusts. Not all of these apply to you, but some might. And the reason we send this out is we may not know everything that occurred for this client right before they died, but this will help you to get started. When it comes to the inventory, the estate inventory is about who the people are and the assets. The information you need in an estate inventory to take down an estate is different than what you need to set up an estate. And so this will give you guidance about the type of information you should be collecting between now and your meeting, or at least the majority of it to collect. The third part of it is a list on people that might, and organizations that might, need a phone call after someone has died. It's currently 4 pages long, and we're continually adding to that. It helps people to know where to start, because many times when we work with people to set up an estate, they would say, I don't know where to begin. Well, this is some place to begin. If you've not lost a loved one, but a friend has lost a loved one, you can feel free to ask them to call in for a post-death packet, or you can call and get one for them. It will be very helpful to know when they call in the type of estate planning they did, and if there's a surviving spouse or not. All of that information will help you. During the process of the call, you'll be asked if you'd like to set an appointment. If you would like to meet to review these items, please do. Normally that meeting is not for 4 to 6 weeks. The few exceptions to that is if all the family's in town for one particular week. We may try to find a time to meet, but it might not be with your original attorney. So those are some things that might help you when a death occurs. If you have that situation in your life, please give us a call.